Welcome to IP Works' latest edition of Trademark Q&A. My name is Sarah, and I'm with founder Catherine Cavella. Hello, Catherine.
Hello, Sarah.
Catherine, I want to talk about reserving a name for my brand with the trademark, for my trademark with the USPTO. Is it possible to do that if I am not ready to use my trademark or put it into play yet? Can I do that?
That's a great question, Sarah. And the answer is yes. In the United States, you can actually sort of reserve your trademark. And it's a good idea to do it. You know, if anyone who's ever tried to launch something knows that there's a lot to do before you actually launch your product. And, you know, some of it involves spending money on branding, getting ready, you know, getting packaging made that's got the brand all over it. Mm-hmm. So a good place to start before you spend all that money is to check and make sure you can register that trademark. That's clearance. We talked about that last time in another session. But then to be quick to register, or at least to apply to register that trademark in the USPTO. And you can do that based on something called intent to use. They let you do it. And it's really valuable. You can't ultimately get it registered until you're using it, but you can get it reserved. And that's important because if you remember, it's that foot in the door, it's that filing date, which protects you ultimately. So so you don't actually have to wait until you launch, which is a lot of peace of mind for people. You don't have to spend, you know, all this money on packaging and domain names and website designs using this brand and only to find out that you know, someone got there sooner. So it's a good idea.
Yeah, so it comes down to the registration date again.
Yeah, it comes down to the filing date. Yeah,
the filing date. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So when you, so the point is because you can reserve before you're using it, you can file that application, get that filing date, then take your time setting up your business. You don't have to rush. You can take your time. The application will make its way through the trademark office. It goes through this examination process, which I talked about in another session. And then what happens is at the end, instead of getting registered, it gets what they call allowed. So it's been approved. And then from that point, you have 6 months to use it. Okay. And then if you're not ready in 6 months, so that could take a year. You know, that could take a year to get it allowed. That's okay. Your filing date's protecting you. You're going through and getting your business set up. And then you can buy 6 months extensions up to 3 years. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you for watching today. We hope that this video connected with someone in our audience. If you or someone that you know would like to speak with us about your trademark rights or how to move forward with reserving a name for your business or startup, please contact the team at ipworkslaw.com under our contact page or reach out to us via our 800 number, which is 855 IP Works. Thank you and stay tuned for more IP Work Q&A.